Introducing the new EyeQuestion 6. In this new version, we've improved the user-friendliness of the application. Alongside a fresh, modern layout, we've also implemented descriptions for every action button, clarifying the function of each option. You can now also have the option to access all project information directly from the main menu. Create projects effortlessly with a wider range of templates at your fingertips. You can also decide to preview the test right away. But that's not all. Each template comes with a detailed article, including video instruction and suggesting optimal data analysis. In EyeQuestion 6, you have a full new project flow layout. From design definition to data collection, every step is intuitively laid out for you. Manage your projects like a pro with our improved panel features. Set quotas, schedule appointments, and track email statuses, all from one convenient view. Whether it's via direct link, QR code, or sensory booth allocation, distributing your project has never been more flexible. Once data is collected, dive into analysis with ease. Our new data cleaning and Remark Labeling features, powered by AI, streamline the process like never before. Update to EyeQuestion 6 and revolutionize your sensory research experience.